Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a green tea packaging mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the pouch. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer 2 times. Now import the packaging design. So go to File, Place Embedded, select Design and Place. And transform it to the pouch size. Click OK. Now create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Turn on the second layer and change that blend mode to dodge color. Reduce the fill to 50% and opacity to 65% and hit OK. And see how we can easily make a green tea packaging mockup. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.